Recording in progress.
So this is also possible too. But obviously, if let's say I would be taking the trade with a big stop loss like that, I would just leave it. So obviously I wouldn't have to be worried about anything. And if I'm targeting these fair value gaps or this candle or the high, then the risk reward is much above 1 to 4, 1 to 3, so it's still nice. So that's I wouldn't worry about this if I'm using obviously a bigger stop loss. But if you are taking a trade on a lower time frame, then this would be a level to look at. Who knows, maybe see this as liquidity and maybe tap into this level. So yeah, anything can happen, but overall I'm holding a bullish bias. And also the market actually just reacted to an institutional level, which is just here. So it's round number. The market just reacted. So the next round number would be 72. Especially a lot of times on Australian dollar, US dollar, a lot of times we see the market bouncing around these round numbers. Like, for example, the market just reacted to this round number. It's 17, so 71, and triple zeros, and here is 72. So a lot of times Australian dollar, US dollar would be bouncing around these levels. Same as here, the market just reacted to the round number. Here it reacted and made a drop. I can show you a bunch of examples on this currency pair, like here too, we have round number. And actually, when I came to this pair and I deleted my markups, this was something I was doing. So the market came here and it's bouncing a lot of times around these round numbers. So you can see here too, it reacted very well. So now the market reacted to this round number. I would be expecting this round number to be filled. So again, I'm holding my bias. Obviously, if fundamental analysis would change over time during the week, then it would change a little bit in the technical analysis too. But right now in technical analysis, I would be holding a bullish bias. So that's what I would be looking at. All right, guys, if anybody has any questions, just let me know. So on Australian dollar USD, I have bullish bias. I want the market to fill in these fair value gaps and maybe even take a trade after a pullback. On Euro USD, we would be waiting for a push to this level, and the market is still respecting this breaker. It's only turning bearish if it would break below the breaker with a closed candle. Until it's only a wick on the 4-hour, excuse me, or on the daily. So until it's only the wicks, I would still be confident in saying the market would fill this level. And on gold, I'm expecting a rally above the Asia range. And also fundamental news is telling us that especially tomorrow we will likely see a big push in gold. So that's the fundamental news and the fundamental analysis. If anybody has any questions, just guys let me know. All right, so everything's clear. All right, then I will just upload the recording, and I do appreciate everyone's attention. Thanks for joining. I will be uploading the community call from the weekend because that's something interesting. All right, guys, I will just end this call right now. And if anybody has any questions, just let me know. And I will give some market updates in case anything happens. Have a good trading week, guys. Bye-bye.